Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in the world. Mamba here, one more time. Tuesday, the 2nd of July. Had a few showers yesterday, guys. Still have a few drizzle. But yeah, we'll see when if it's gonna clear up. But that's what we got, guys. Pretty dark out there. I don't know if the prediction is rain all day today. We'll see. See what happens. I'll go up there and keep you updated. Alright, guys. Check you later. So this is the stairs before they put the risers on. I'll come back and film it when there's more light. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Put the mesh on here for level 25, ready to go for tomorrow. So this is afternoon, it's just close to 2 o'clock, guys. It's time. Hello guys, get the castings in. I put the mesh up. Close to 2 o'clock now. Halfway through. Keep going. We had a bit of wind over here, so got a bit of gale. Going on up here. She getting a bit of windy, eh? Feel the wind? You feel that? That's been poured, half of it, and then they'll pour the rest. I thought they put in the roof on there too, down there. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in the world. It's Mamba here, guys, one more time. Today is Friday. Schedule for that pool for today. The weather seems to be holding up. So yeah, we'll see how we go up there. We did have a couple of showers, rain days, Tuesday and Wednesday, so there wasn't too much activity happening up there. So today is the D-Day. I will keep you posted, informed. It's another chilly day, but yeah, beautiful day. Yesterday we had a bit of wind late in the afternoon there, so it kind of messed things up a little bit. You always get a bit of that when you get up to those heights. Obviously, like if it's not raining, then you got the other elements which are wind and yeah. So this is what it is, guys. I will keep you updated up there, guys, as we proceed. So yeah, check you up top. See ya. Whole day level 25. Next day in the morning, ready to attack. Time is 6:30. They're gonna pour the columns into this deck, and then the pool will be on. So got a few wind. We had wind yesterday, so that disrupted the usual progression of how things run up here. Obviously, the deck has to be emptied the day before the pool. So it's gonna happen now. I got a bit of opportunity. The wind is cooperating in the meantime, guys. So yeah, let's see how we go. Touch and go. So I gotta do the same. Empty all my gear off the deck. Obviously, got all the castings all put in. So now we take all the extras away as well. So we don't need the crane. Kind of lucky in a way. So the cups, we call them the nipples. We did put in under there. So you can put the castings in. So yeah, I'll give you a little rundown of what's happening today. We got the pool, we got the lobby port yesterday. We got jumps already jumped, and then we got Saturday. Might be walking. We do the leapfrog screens over there. So yeah, little bit to do, basically. Level 25 going down. Yeah. Someone's going with the windows. This side. Friday pool still on. That wall over there is complete. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you are in the world. It's Mamba here. It's home time. 8 hours day today, Friday. It's still going on up there with the pool. It's starting to get a bit windy, so they took precaution just in case the wind changes on them, because it's still got a fair bit to go up there. Not gonna finish in time, so they're gonna pour partially, I think 3/4 of that, and then they will commence in the morning again, weather permitting. Yeah, but in the meantime, they did have a go at it. So it took a while before the wind, because the wind was still playing up. But yeah, it's what it is. One of those things, if it doesn't rain, it gets windy. If it doesn't get windy, yeah, that's right. So it is what it is, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. I will keep you posted tomorrow morning, and when we take off. So they got maybe another, I'll probably say another hour, depending on how the concrete keeps turning up. But normally you have them lined up there somewhere. Don't see any trucks, so maybe that might be the last truck they're onto, or yeah. So that's all we can see for now. So obviously the jump I think the jump will be going tomorrow. So we'll show you tomorrow when I'm up there. So yeah, catch you later. The tank is in the house. Smell the debut. Oh, this guy.
Hey, Dave, pipe that.
Go tank. Oh, yeah, this guy. That's right, guys. What we got. Rainy day. Finished rain yesterday. Just opened up. Doing whatever we can, guys. Can do.
Yes, please.
Hey, T. It's a God. We can hear you, Lord. Be Bryce.
Woo! Nice up here.
All right, Justin. This man here, man, Justin. It's been another smoke. Thanks, Justin. Yoo-hoo. Yeah, man. Just come from Smoko. Saturday, this is what we've done from here to there. We're gonna see how the wind picks up. And we're gonna try and go here. Yeah, to here. Somewhere here. We'll see how the weather goes. The jumps jumped. Now we are on the way. So this is how far the pole went yesterday, because we got winded off. I had to put the pole brake here. Cut that off. So we got the box here ready to rock and roll for tomorrow over there. Sorry, on Monday. Tomorrow Sunday. Getting ahead of himself. So this is what they had to do yesterday, because it got too windy. So they had to stop the pole here. That's what they did. So you got everything brought up. That's what we got. So we've done from there to over there. That's as far as we can go. So we're gonna start prepping up for this bit here, and then maybe do the rest Monday, or we're gonna see how we go with time and the wind as well, because we're gonna need to prevent the first half at least. So anyway, we'll see. Bit of prep work, and yeah, keep you posted. So we had to jump these a little bit different because of the jump plus the power brake. They had to put the power brake over there. So, but because the jump had to go fast before we go, so we had to stay away from these guys so they can jump that. And then we went the other way around. So we're gonna double back this way. Preferably start from there, go back. Even if we get this full again, today or even 3, just prep up and see how we go. It's gonna be windy, so maybe it might not even happen. So yeah, it's more practical. See how we go. 205 North Quay, level 25, 4 minute 26. After that, forward, semi forward. Delia, put the screws back on. Here he comes. Got a bit of showers, guys, today. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you are in the world. Need another lovely day, guys. Level 25 pool finished. Had a few showers yesterday and the day before, in and out. Yeah, we had all sorts of mishaps up there, but finally got that pool in yesterday. But yeah, it's one of those. So we only got like 2 screens to jump, which was that where that pole was. They cut the pole off, but all the other screens are pretty much jumped. Production up there, formwork, it was a little bit minimal, but the boys had to go at it. Other issues got into spanners in the works. Story for another day. So yeah, we'll go up there, have a look, see how the weather holds up, and yeah, keep you posted. Gentlemen, we got a spanner in the works. We got no visibility over here. Hey, Mr. Adam, can you see anything? Yeah, like there it is. No visibility. So today we are on high alert. So the cranes are not going to start for a minute until the fog is gone. Mr. James Stock is putting all the lights in while we get sorted out. Outer. Morning, boys. Morning, Uncle. Hey. Oh, Mr. James Stock over here putting his lights in. Hey, James, how you going?
Yeah, good.
This guy, you get to shine, eh?
Yes.
Alright, this is where Mr. James Stocks gets to shine. This is what he's doing. See, we got poor visibility. So this is where the play comes in with the access lighting, where he's putting in the lights in. So don't forget to follow Mr. James Stock at Stock underscore James Stock. Alright, guys. This is the deck, ready to rock and roll. Before the first half, fast big, it's a little bit. There's a step here, so step back, put a plumbing under there. This is the bond deck, and then yeah, put in steel on bottom mat, top mat, and then they pour it. So this is basically to save a lot of concrete too. So I don't know what they're doing with the weight there. There's another step here, so they can do that later. It's the power room, guys. Power up. Frog jumpers ready, prep work. Spanner in the works. Another epic morning, Wednesday, guys. 2:05. Wherever you are in the world, guys. Another lovely morning, guys. Don't wait for this pour happening soon. It's gonna start at 6:30 now. That's what they say. It's all ready. They poured the columns yesterday. See, put the castings in yesterday. Everything is Mickey Mouse. They're gonna tidy up. This can take a half hour. That's why they get to a half-hour mark. So yeah. So we got level 25 for 2 on the way. So yeah. Got the Dipping Frog screens yesterday, all done, dusted. I think we got another 2 more, and then that should be it. Out of that one. I'll show you out here what it looks like. Yeah! Traffic. Good morning, Queen's Wharf. Alright guys, gotta go down, get my stuff. Jump might be going next week, so yeah. Not this week. You got the top up to happen, and then you got the back cage over there to be built as well. So I'll show you when to build that. They'll top these up, build that. There we go. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Don't sleep, wake up. Woo, 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 woo. Pull over, pull over. Ladies and gentlemen, another spanner in the works, guys. So the cam the pour was not going on. Cancel. Was not happening, guys. Didn't cancel. So that's another setback. So we'll gonna go for tomorrow, guys. So in this kind of situation, you got the formwork side of things. They met their obligations. So we don't know how that goes. If the pump broke down. So I don't know where that falls to. So I don't know if it goes to hatches, it goes to the pump section. It's pretty hard to tell, guys. So I don't know, but the finger pointing something. Level 25 going down. So yeah, we're analyzing this. So basically everything else still continues as it were. Like the works in the jump still going. So the steel fixers will go on that top deck, level 26, to prep up for that. It's Smoko, guys, so I'll give you a bit of Smoko intro here. And so stripping floor also will continue, because if they pour this section here, it means they have to stop stripping. They'll probably go and pour 1, but now they can continue finishing, because they were somewhere along here to continue to completing finishing stripping. So those are the I kind of say like an advantage for us, like for foam workers on that side. I mean, it sets us back a bit for on the day when we're meant to. So tomorrow we're meant to be going over here, so that pushes everything back a bit. But we could still prep up for pour 1 and all that kind of stuff. We've got other stuff to do down the bottom. This means we get to catch up on those other little tedious jobs that we, I wouldn't say neglect, but just yeah, you got to beautify it, make it more Mickey Mouse, I would say, for lack of a better word. So yeah, guys, this is what's happening, and down here, down there we can see they've already put those escalators in there. They had to put them in before they put that roof on, otherwise it'd be pretty tricky to get those escalators in there. Down there we can see the roof. Yeah, on the second one now, they've done the first one, which is that one there. They even had to put a handrail there because it's pretty high. Now they're doing the second one. So I don't know when that's going to for the install. And over there they started stripping that on the edge of that building. They start stripping that scuff over there as well. I'll go down there and show you what they're doing. I keep saying I'll go down there, but I definitely will go down there. I started doing a bit of foam work there as well. A bit of soft start, so it's pretty high. Bad cage down there. We'll scope it out, have a good look-see. Yeah. So, gonna go smoke, guys. Catch you a little bit later. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday, so the pour is meant to go on today. Hope you're well, whatever you are in the world. Yesterday we had a problem with the pump. There was a malfunction, so it didn't happen. So wait to see what happens in the morning. I'll keep you posted as we go. 8:30 was on. Level 25 for 2 started. I think it started about 8. So yeah, see how we go. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Hello, Big. How you going? Yeah. Happy Friday, Mickey. Woo! Woohoo! It's a Beattyville. So much to put the glass up. They had a good dig at it. Pretty good. Started installing this front section here today. Let's see. The Beattyville, so much glass they put up. You can see. This is up on the Beattyville where the auditorium was, or still is. Take you up. Remember when we were doing these, auditorium is over there. This was all messy and all that. They cleaned it up, tied it all up. That's what it looks like. I think they will put glass there as well. Maybe later, I'll put glass and they might put one of those. Never know. jumped the crane yesterday, the one in the crane, the one in the lift shaft. That's in the process, obviously. It's a big column, they stripped that bit there so they can mount that bracket. This is the auditorium, bottom. Gonna go have a look. Still smoking, guys. Smoking around, show you what we got. It's the only time I get to show you around. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the auditorium. Obviously they're fitting in the air conditioning. They'll probably do the electrics as well while they're up here, because do the ceiling. It's just not an even ground to walk on. You kind of still need these bike cages to be able to walk on, which is another better way of implementing this situation where you got it. I don't know what they'll do in the near future, if they need to do any services or anything like that, but I'm sure they will come up with a plan. Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna have stairs here or what's happening here. If there's gonna be another slab going over, unless they change their plans, what they're doing. Come and have a look. There's the go down. Hold on. Homer! It's time to knock off. Right, this is what the boys are done. Morning, smashed it. Locked it up. Now we're gonna head out. Jump that screen in the morning. Remember the power room? This is the power room, right? It's all about the power room. Looks like they've got a gantry over there too. We'll go in there in a minute. Flat out, down under. They have a pour. I think they must be pouring the jump or something. Go there and have a look. They got the gantries there going. There's a bit of bike cage going on there as well. Yeah, that's what's happening. Good morning. Back there for the pole. Whew. There for the pole. Ready to attack. 204 Quail Street! Yeah! So we're gonna get the gear, guys. See how the day goes. So we're gonna come off, top up that. Jump's gonna go up. Ride kids are already topped up. We'll do the rest after that. So there we go. This is on Tuesday, early morning. Good morning. It's nice and quiet. So we did yesterday. There to there. So we're gonna go in the lobby, in there, do that, and then go back there. Finish that today. And then we'll be tomorrow on Wednesday for 1. Repeat, rinse, repeat again. Alright guys, well, whatever you want in the world, numbers here, numbers out. Keep you posted guys as we go. Cast in yesterday, rock and roll. I think they're gonna pour these stairs today too. Plans stair. So you got access 1, stair 1, and this is stair 2. So yeah, just gotta go before the deck gets back to the side. Alright. Bow. Good morning everyone, wherever you are in the world. Pumba here, giving you a 360 early in the morning. Get it done, great. The sun coming out.
Can you grab that battery out of that light, please?
Hey, brother.
Proper deadly! Woo! Nick, how you
Love
going?
you, Mamba.
How are you, brother?
Thirsty.
Thirsty? Thirsty mum. What a beautiful day, brother.
What a start.
You got the hooks.
What a start to the day.
Yeah, bro. Nick got the doggy. He's
You should be
ready.
able to bottle that.
Huh?
You should be able to bottle that.
Bottle that.
You should be able to bottle that, Sky.
Nick will reckon we should bottle this sky. So beautiful. North Quay, level 26, forming up level 26, pouring level 25, pole 2. That's what we got from down here. This is how much the glass is going up as well. Showing you how much the boys have put in. Over here. It's Friday, we only do 8 hours, so unless there's a need for it. Other than that, we just do 8 hours Friday.